Look at me now, no one can stop me. Come on now, watch me. Look at me now, the size of the crowd, they all going wild. They all going wild. The size of the crowd, they all going wild. Look at me now, the size of the crowd, they all going wild. Look at me now, the size of the crowd, they all going wild. Look at me now, the size of the crowd, they all going wild. Look at me now, the size of the crowd, they all going wild. Look at me now, the size of the crowd, they all going wild. Look at me now, the size of the crowd, they all going wild.
6 years ago, I only dreamed that this day would happen. Palagi kong pinapaalala sa sarili ko noon na darating ang araw na aalagaan kita at papakasalan kita sa harap ng dambana ng Panginoon.
Nagsimula ang lahat sa isang kanta.
Una sa lahat, gusto ko magpasalamat sa Diyos because if not for Him, I would have never met you. Ikaw ang isa sa pinakamagandang blessing na dumating sa buhay ko.
Buti di ako nakinig, tadhana ng buong
God's plan is always the best. Looking back at our relationships, all the ups and downs, you stood by my side, and it was never a luck that led me to you. It was God's grace and the greatest decision I've ever made, and I will keep on making for the rest of my life.
tanan mo ako, di magbabago yun. At pag ika'y
We were two completely different individuals from two different worlds. Pero doon ko mas lalong pinaniwalaan na kapag para sa iyo ang isang tao, para sa iyo talaga. This was God's plan all along. We are here today because God is love, and we love because He first loved us.
basta't andito lang ako sa tabi mo.
God has been so good to me that He has given me the greatest gift, and that was you. I would never forget the first time you introduced me to your family. I saw how happy and complete you are, and thinking how it would be to be part of that circle. I just stared at you and prayed of a life with our own family.
Para sa iyo.
Salamat, Kuya Will. Okay, buksan niyo na.
And Mama, Lola, Mindoy, at Saysay. Thank you for accepting me early on. Kahit kailan, hindi ninyo pinaramdam sa akin na hindi ako welcome sa pamilya ninyo. Pangako ko po sa inyo na alagaan at poprotektahan ko siya palagi.
Yeah, your wife has something for you.
Okay, ate. Wow! Ang ganda! Wala, thank you, babe. Thank you sa necklace.
Hello! Thank you so much!
Hey, congratulations!
You are the best thing that's ever been mine. I vow to love you to the moon and Saturn. I promise to respect you and cherish you as an individual and as a partner. I promise to love you through all our eras. I will stay when you're lost or you're scared, even when you're turning away. You are my one, and I want you forever and ever.
Aaminin sa'yo, ang daming beses na hindi ka sumuko.
Babe, sometimes a dream delayed is not a dream denied. At ngayon, sa harap ng Diyos at ng lahat ng mga mahal natin sa buhay, ipinapangako ko sa iyo ang aking puso, ang aking katapatan, at ang buong buhay ko. I love you, my wife.
Ako, di magbabago yun. At pag ika'y
At pangarap ko na kung dumating ang araw na maputi na ang buhok natin, nakaupo tayo sa labas ng bahay at magtatawanan habang binabalikan ang lahat ng mga pinagdaanan natin. At sa araw na iyon, masasabi natin sa isa't isa, salamat dahil pinili mo pa rin ako araw-araw.
kahit sa dulo ng ating pagmamahal, hanggat sa kunin tayo ng may kapal.
My love, my husband, you are the best thing that's ever been mine, and wherever you are, in your arms is where I called home. I love you.
Thank you for celebrating this special day with us. You're not welcome. Let's open!
Mahal kita kahit sa pinakamahirap na sandali. I promise to always choose you every single day. I promise to stand beside you in every season of life.
Take my hand, it's so good to be together. Take my hand, it feels like forever. Breathe deep, dream easy with me.
The groom will now kiss the bride.
Together.